Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Azure Spot virtual machines. So last month, probably in December, in the first or second week, Azure announced the preview of Azure Spot virtual machines. Azure Spot virtual machines provide access to unused Azure compute capacity at discounts. Spot pricing is available on single virtual machines in addition to virtual machine scale sets. This enables us to deploy a broader variety of workloads in Azure while enjoying access to discounted pricing. Spot virtual machines offer the same characteristics as pay-as-you-go virtual machines, with differences in pricing and evictions. Spot virtual machines can be evicted anytime if Azure needs capacity. The workloads that are ideally suited to run on Spot virtual machines include batch jobs, development and test, stateless applications, short-lived jobs which can easily be run again if the virtual machine is evicted. Well, the preview of Spot virtual machine replaced the preview of Azure low priority virtual machines on the skill sets. And as far as the deployment of the Spot virtual machines are concerned, it's very easy to deploy and manage. Deploying a Spot virtual machine is similar to configuring and deploy a regular virtual machine. For example, let me just log on to the portal and show you. I am logged on to the portal. And what it does in the Azure portal, we can simply select Azure Spot instance to deploy a Spot virtual machine. So if you would click on Windows 2016, okay, I have a pay-as-you-go subscription. Create a new resource group, Spot RG. Virtual machine is my first Spot VM. Okay, let me create it in West India. No infrastructure, image is this. Here you see this. Azure Spot instance. Azure Spot offers unused Azure capacity at a discounted rate versus pay-as-you-go price. Workloads should be tolerant to infrastructure loss, as Azure may recall capacity for pay-as-you-go workloads. So if you click on yes here, and so it says the eviction type. So Azure Spot offers two eviction methods, the up to pay-as-you-go and maximum price. Up to pay-as-you-go will allocate capacity to you until Azure requires the capacity for pay-as-you-go workloads. So the max price will allocate capacity to you until either the platform price is greater than your set max price or until Azure requires the capacity for pay-as-you-go workloads. So let's say I'm going with capacity only. So evict virtual machine when Azure needs the capacity for pay-as-you-go workloads. Your maximum price is set to the pay-as-you-go rate. And the eviction would be stop and deallocate. Deletion is currently not supported. It's still in preview. And the size is normal size. Username is Azure Admin 3. Okay. Well, you know how to create a virtual machine now, right? The disk, premium, you can go for standard, right? If you want to click on the advanced option, I'm going to go with manage disk and create a new disk and attach it at an existing disk. You want to come to the networking feature. It's going to create a network out of this. The management. How you are going to manage it. Monitoring boot diagnostics. OS boot guest diagnostic. I'll try to make videos on these topics as well. One by one, how to enable a backup, auto shutdown, how it does, Advanced. Just a review of what all options do we have while creating a VM. The kind of extensions that you can install, the host group, I'll let you know what a host group is in one of the other videos. And it comes to tag. Right, and the last part is review and create. These are the options that you have chosen. Right, and when you click on create, then the magic happens. VM starts the deployment process, and it's just a normal RDP. So you know how things work. But I just wanted to discuss the spot instances, the new feature that was added probably 2 months ago. I'm very late in sharing this update with all of you guys. I'm trying to making it up. I'm trying to be on the top of every update that comes on either Azure or AWS or GCP, but it's really hard for me to make a video. I'll have to make probably more than 10 videos every day if I try to cover each and every update that is happening in the network, compute, storage, or database, or APIs, or web applications. So trying to do that with every update, and would come up with more video like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you would read more about these spot instances. It's under Windows VM documentation of the Microsoft Azure official documentation. Read about it, read about the eviction processes, policies, and all that stuff. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till next time, have a good day. Bye-bye.